Check this out, guys. So I just got a new product today. It's Tune 45. As you can see, I didn't want to show my address. If it showed, I'm gonna blur it out. But we got the new product. I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I ain't gonna say more. Check the video out. So as you can see, I got these new Tune 45 barber pencils that they just dropped like a month ago. I really was excited about this product because it is double-sided, man. Like, I'm gonna show y'all a preview. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, man, my bad. Yeah, so really excited. They got 2 pencil sharpeners and it comes in 3, right? 3 pencils. So very excited. Can't wait to try this out. I'm gonna do an unboxing just right now, but I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna add it to this clip. So let's get into the unboxing. So let's get into this unboxing of the Tune 45, and really excited. Like I said, voila. If you can touch it, let's see if it focus on it. We got the 45 Tune 45 on it, and it's double-sided, man. Look at this. It's already sharpened, so you don't have to waste it off the rip. Double-sided pencil. That is genius, man. I really be excited about Tune 45 products because they take their time with it. You know, you see a lot of barbers and a lot of, you know, company owners, they get to rushing and doing products. Tune 45 actually takes their time and develop amazing products like this, from the color dye to the enhancement cards to the shave gel to the texturizing powder, and now to their barber pencils. Like, it's the small things like this that actually matter. You know, one thing I see beneficial, that is not 2 pencils, it's 2 pencils in one. So if I put this on my station, it won't clutter from having 2 different pencils, right? I can switch them out. You know, some barbers, they put it on their ears. This is actually an enhancement. So I like using the pencil with enhancements and make the haircut pop. Man, it comes with 3. It comes with 3 of them. Look at this, man. This is like crazy. And they're a decent size, man. Like, this is 6 pencils. Box, the artwork, man, check that out. The artwork of the box is actually amazing. You know, the way they decorated, the descriptions in the back, to the, just, man, this is amazing. I love this. It was like 18 bucks with shipping and handling. I ordered it on 2 days ago and it got here 2 days. So definitely worth it. Can't wait to put this on clients. I'm gonna show y'all on this YouTube video. Without further ado, let's get to these haircuts with these pencils on them and enhancement.
Right.